Hi you guys, so it's me Victoria, and we went to Toys R Us and we got a few stuff here. So we got 2 micro lights. We found this all at Toys R Us, but yeah, they were all sold out. Then we started crying, so then yeah, a lady gave it to us, so yeah. So I had a season 3 finally. This is my very first one, so I'm excited to see which ones are inside. There's a collector's guide and everything from all the series, like all the same. Oh, and by the way, you're supposed to collect 12 Shopkins, 4 shopping bags, 1 shopping basket, 1 collector's guide. Okay, guys? So let me just open this up really quick. Oh my god, these are really hard to open. There we go. That's better. And this is my first 12 pack from season 3. Okay, guys? Okay, so the people who fell out were Toasty Bread, that's Toasty Bread, and then there was Susie Sunday, and then there was Noni Notebook. The ones who fell out, and here are how the bags look like new. And they have an S inside for Shopkins, if you can't see that. And then there's an S on the side for Shopkins, another S. And that's how all these 4 bags look like. There's 4 bags in it, like I told you. And then it also comes with a collector's guide. Which I'll show you later. Once I get it open. Later. There we go. This is how the collector's guide looks like as all the series. There we go. Now, time to move on to the others. So, Terry Taco, is that correct? And he's in International Food. And then there's Susie Sushi. I just told you Terry Taco because I don't know the rest. So I'm not checking because I know all their names already. And this one, well, so. Then I got Tony Topper. Pick out the next one. And then I got Sweet Pea Focus. So a lady gave it to us. So then we got Bonnie. Wait. Bonnie Beret, you're hard to... Bonnie Beret. Bonnie Beret. And then there's Snug Ugg. Snug Ugg. Snug Ugg. Snug Ugg. And then Lana Banana. Plus we have more stuff here. So let's open this. So the basket looks like really cool, glittery, and they stack up too. I just can't show you because I don't have any other ones. So So it has an S inside for Shopkins. And then it's all glittery and clear and aqua and pink. And so yeah, let's dig in here and see who we got. So we got, yes, Penny Pencil. And she is a Well, she is in Noni Notebooks category. So, yes! So I got Shu Ann, and she's an ultra rare Shopkin. Ah! Okay, I'll get that later. Okay. So next up we have the Shopkins Micro Lights. I found this all at Toys R Us, by the way. Yes, Smolly Mops. Oh my God, so cool. And the bottom is the lights. So there we go. So now we are going to open the other Shopkin Micro Light. And this is, dun 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 dun, the Mimi, yay! The Fluffy Baby from Season 2. So, here she is. So pretty. The Mimi and Molly Mops. So, these are the ones that I got. Plus, I have a vending machine, guys. And I got this all at Toys R Us. I told you 3 times already. So, it's a vending machine. It's really, really cute. Oh, so cute. Okay, so then we have, I'll get this out. We have a collector's guide from Season 1. So this is from Season 1, guys. So I already know which ones they are, so I don't need to use it. These are just examples how you can put your Shopkins. And then we got, okay guys, get out. Alpha Soupy, Alpha Soup. And then we got Cheesy Bee Burger. Okay. So bye you guys. Thumbs up, subscribe, like, leave us comments please, and we love reading them. So please, if you want to subscribe to our channel, you can. But just saying, this is not a good day. Bye.